ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखो उत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविदूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 425। Siddhanti said, the Shruti, Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma, or Neha Nanasti Kinchana, both of them, they do abheda with everything and with one's own self also. Everything else has abheda with Brahma. The Shruti is also having abheda with Brahma. So that is what is said there. Seventh line from top. एवं च ब्रह्मणि सर्वाभेद बोधिकायाः श्रुतेर भेद मात्र निषेधान्यथा उपपत्तेश्च स्वाभेद विषयत्वम अविरुद्धम. एवं, so he concludes this in this way: ब्रह्मणि सर्व अभेद bodhikaya shruti, that is sarvam khalvidam brahma. That means there is no bheda. Sarva abhed bodhikaya shruti, where brahmani, in Brahma, and bheda matra nishedha anyathanupapatti. Bheda matra nishedha anyathanupapatti. Bheda matra nishedha would not happen, would be anupapanna, if sarva abheda with Brahma would not have been there. Bheda matra nishedha would be anupapanna, means it would not be possible unless sarva abheda with Brahma was there. But bheda matra nishedha is given by Shruti. Bheda matra nishedha is done by neha nanasti kinchana. Therefore, there is abheda with Brahma of all. So the sentence says, swabheda vishayatvam aviruddham. Swasya abheda vishayatvam of both the Shrutis. Sarvam khalvidam Brahma, neha nanasti kinchana. So both the Shrutis, they are talking about Swa Abheda also. Sarva Abheda, Swa Abheda. Purva Pakshi's Pratipadan was Swa Abheda, Sarva Abheda. Siddhanti, Swa Abheda, Sarva Abheda. With Sarva Abheda comes Swa Abheda. So what is the problem. We saw this last time a little. Nahi sarva bhede swabhedapattiriva sarva bhede swabhedo doshaya. If you say sarva bheda, in sarva, swa is also there. Sarva bheda means ghata is included. So ghata will have to have swabheda. Ghata cannot have bheda with itself. Swabheda is not possible. Here there is apatti. But sarva abheda, if we say, swabheda is ishta only. It is na doshaya. Tasmad advaita shrutir बाध्य बाधकयोर ऐक्य बोधनेन निराबाधा सर्वाद्वैतम प्रतिपादयति. Therefore, Advaita Shruti, by showing Bhadya Badhakayoho Aikya, the Aikya, oneness of Badhya and Badhaka. Badhya is according to Purva Paksha, Badhya. See in your Hindi Tika, just before Shanka, 2 lines before. इसलिए अद्वैत श्रुति बाध्य और बाधक का अभेद बोधन करती हुई और कराती हुई. But बाध्य, he says what in the bracket?
Advaita Agama.
Advaita Agama is Badhya or Purva Pakshi, not Siddhanti. Similarly, Badhaka is given as Bheda Avagahi Pratyaksha. So, according to Purva Paksha, Bheda
Advaita Agama.
According to Purva Paksha, Bheda Avagahi Pratyaksha is Badhaka of Advaita Agama. But Siddhanti is saying, whatever you thought of Badhya and Badhaka, there is a Abheda between them. So when that Abheda is established, then it will do Sarvabheda, Sarvadvaitam Pratipadayati. Badhya Badhakayor Aikya Bodhanena Nirabadha. Now that Shruti is unstoppable. Advaita Shruti will show Advaita everywhere. Purva Paksha says, Nanu, Shabda Buddhi Karmanang Viramya Vyapara Bhavat Katham Adavalpa Vishaya Buddhihi Pashat Bahu Vishaya Bhavati Ityuchyata Iti Chet. This is an important niyama. If you want, you underline or highlight. Shabda Buddhi Karmanang Viramya Vyapara Abhavat. Shabda Buddhi Karma, they don't have Viramya Vyapara. Any Shabda, if it has to give Jnanam, it will give knowledge, whatever Shabda Jnana, Ghataha. And that will be the final. Not that first it will give some Jnanam, then it will give some more Jnanam, then it will give some more Jnanam. One Shabda will give one Jnanam, once. There is no Viramya. Viramya means pause. Ruk kar, as we say. Not like that. In the same way, Buddhi means Jnana. Jnanam also of any object will come once. There is no pause in there, and then you get some jnanam, then you get some jnanam, then you get some jnanam. One ghatakar vritti, one ghata jnana. If you go to the other side of the ghata, then another ghatakar vritti. That is different. But right there, same vishaya, one vritti, and then multiple jnanam, that will never happen. One vritti, one jnana. So viramya vyapara is not there. And kriya also. Any karma, any kriya here in the sense of nyaya. Sanyoga vibhaga. Kriya will do purva, kriya will do vibhaga. Vibhaga will do purva sanyoga nasha. Purva sanyoga nasha, then uttar sanyoga, then kriya nasha. So this krama is there. It will happen in this way. One kriya will not do one thing, then it will do another thing, then it will do another thing. Viramya vyapara is not there. You need another kriya for it. If I want to take out one thread, let us say, from this cloth, one kriya will remove thread to some extent. Then same kriya will not continue. If I want to remove that thread more, I have to do further another kriya. So this viramya vyapara is not possible. So why Purvapakshi is asking this? He says, you are saying this Advaita Shruti will first get avakasha where there is no bheda. It will become labdhavakasha. This is what you said. Then from there, it will remove all the bheda. Ghatapata bheda is pratyaksha. There Advaita Shruti cannot come. It will come there where out of anavastha dosha bhaya we stop. From there Advaita Shruti, Abheda Shruti will start working. And then it will gradually come here. This is what you said. On that, this is the objection. So katham adau alpa vishaya buddhi. In the beginning, this buddhi is alpa vishaya. Paschat bahu vishaya api bhavati. First, its vishaya will be certain objects where it will show abheda. Then it will show abheda everywhere. Bahu vishaya. How it will happen? Iti ched na. Siddhanti says, this is not how it is going to happen. So one drishtanta is given in general, like for Mimamsakas. If it is said, I think that is the example given in this tika. Darsha Purnamaasabhyam Swarga Kamo Yajeta. So it has three amshas, bhavanas. What are they?
Kim bhavayet, kena bhavayet, katham bhavayet.
Kim bhavayet, kena bhavayet, and katham bhavayet means kim bhavayet is sadhya. Kena sadhana. Katham iti kartavyata. These three. So the knowledge, darsha purnamaasabhyam swarga kamo yajeta, in this, everything is given. But Shrota, in his buddhi, the jnanam will come gradually. Gradually in the sense, sadhya, sadhana, iti kartavyata, these three are there. Sadhya is Darsha Purnamasa Yaga. Sadhya is Swarga. Sadhana is Darsha Purnamasa Yaga. Katham, so you have to do how to do Darsha Purnamasa, or the details. That is iti kartavyata. Siddhanti says, श्रुति तो द्रागेव जातायाः सर्व विषयायाः अद्वैत बुद्धेः प्रामाण्यं व्यवस्थापयन्तीनाम् अस्मत्. If the word is not clear, it is अस्मत्. अस्मत् बुद्धीनाम् एव क्रमेण जायमानत्वात्. Shruti, like Ekameva Dvitiyam. Ekameva Dvitiyam Shruti at once says there is no Dvitiya, there is no other. So it is Drag Eva at once. Jatayaha Sarva Vishayayaha Advaita Buddhehe Pramanyam. Advaita Buddhi will have Pramanyam. Vyavasthapayantinam asmad buddhinam. But in our buddhi, which gradually understands Advaita Buddhi's Pramanyam, means Advaita Jnanasya Pramanyam, that will happen Kramena. Kramena Jayamanatvat. To give an example, let's say we have heard Janmadyasya Ataha. The Jagat Janmadi are from Brahma. So we have heard this. That has already said everything is Brahma. But in my buddhi, everything is Brahma, this doesn't come. I may think some good things, they are Brahma. Some holy things, they are Brahma. And then other things are unholy. They are not having any Bhagavad Vibhuti. How can they be Brahma? Then gradually this knowledge sinks in. So in certain things I accepted Abheda with Brahma. But in other things I have not understood Abheda with Brahma. So then I gradually understand. Then there where there is clear Bheda, Bhata-pata. So I understand Bhata is abhinna from Brahma. Pata is abhinna from Brahma. Therefore, Ghata and Pata Brahmatvena are abhinna. And if there is Vyavaharika Bheda, it is Mithya. So this understanding doesn't come at once. That is Kramena Jayamanatva, Asmad Buddhinam eva. So Advaita Buddhi's Pramanyam is established in the beginning at once. But in our Buddhi, it happens Kramena. And why? Because for most part, people are Pratyaksha Pramanvadi. So they think what is Pratyaksha, that is how it is. So this portion Siddhanti clarifies. And therefore, it is not that really there is Viramya Vyapara of Dhyanam. the jnanam is at once. Shabda, buddhi, and karma also. Now, Purvapakshi's idea was Ghatapatau Bhinnau. That Pratyaksha will not let Abheda in the Prapancha to be accepted. Now, Purvapakshi says, Shabda Jnanam. What are the four things required for Shabda Jnanam? Shabda Bodha requires four things. Akanksha,
आकांक्षा योग्यता सन्निधि and तात्पर्य.
Akanksha, Yogyata, Sannidhi, Tatparya, Jnana. What is Yogyata? That there is no Virodha. Vannina Sinchet. That Vakya does not have Yogyata. It has Akanksha, it has Sannidhi, Tatparya can be there. Tatparya will not be there because Yogyata itself is not there. So there is Ayogyata. Purvapakshi will say, Ayogyata will not let the Shabda Bodha happen. If Ghata Pata Bheda is clear in Shabda Bodha, Ekam Eva Dvitiyam, knowledge itself will not take place. This is exactly what in general people are struggling with. Because Ayogyata is there in this Ekam Eva Dvitiyam, Nehana Nasti Kinchana, the Shruti. So he says, as long as Ayogyata Jnanam is there, which will do Shabda Bodha Badha. Shabda Bodha, even if it arises, Ayogyata will do Badha. Or you say Shabda Bodha will not happen, which is more accurate. See, Ayogyata Jnanancha na Shabda Bodhe. Siddhanti will say, Ayogyata Jnanam cha na Shabda Bodhe Pratibandhakam. Ayogyata Jnanam is not Shabda Bodhe Pratibandhakam. Purvapakshi says, earlier you said Shabda Bodha requires Yogyata. Now you are saying Ayogyata is not Pratibandhakam. Means, even if Ayogyata is there, Shabda Bodha can happen. But Shabda Bodha will become Prama when it is not Badhita. Without Yogyata, Shabda Bodha can happen. But Shabda Bodha will become Prama only when that Jnanam is not Badhita. If it is Badhita, it is not Prama. Then it is Bhranti. So, according to Siddhanti, Ayogyata Jnana is not Pratibandhakam. Siddhanti says, Siddhanti said, Ayogyata Jnanam is not Pratibandhakam. Purvapakshi will say, okay, Ayogyata Jnana is not Pratibandhaka. But Yogyata Jnana is Hetu. Yogyata Jnana is required. You don't have Yogyata Jnanam. When you see Ghata and Pata, and in your Buddhi, this Bheda is so strong, you will never get Advaita Jnana. So Siddhanti is saying, Yogyata Jnanam is not Hetu for Shabda Bodha. Yogyata Jnanam, even if it is not there, Shabda Bodha will happen. But then, for it to become prama, we need yogyata. So how? If it is badhita, then it is not prama. If it is abadhita, it is prama. Yena prathamam sarvadvaita buddher na syat. Because of which, in the beginning, sarva advaita buddhi doesn't happen. Because we don't have the knowledge whether this is badhita or abadhita. So he gives one quotation from Mimamsakas. Atyanta satyapi jnana marthe shabdah karoti hi abadhat tu pramamatra swatah pramanya nishalam iti. Atyanta asati api arthe shabdah jnanam karoti hi. In this way you have to read. Atyantam, atyanta asati api arthe. Artha which is atyanta asat. Jnanam will happen. Then you will know whether this is prama or not. Then how it is prama? Abadhatu atra pramam. If it is not badhita, it is prama. How? Swatah pramanya nishalam. So that prama is through swatah pramanyam. So swatah pramanya nishalam pramam tu abadhat bhavati. If it is not badhita, it is prama. I think in Khandan or so they give drashtanta. Let us say, not Khandan, maybe in Mimamsa only. If there are two people, let's say, and they are arguing, and they use abusive words, so if one person tells the other person, say, you are a donkey. Now this is atyanta asat shabda. Does it produce jnanam or not?
It does.
Yes.
So I feel this person is telling me donkey. Jnanam takes place. Is this jnanam prama or not?
Brahma.
No.
Why?
No yogyata.
Because it is atyanta asat.
Because it is badhita.
Because it is badhita. I don't have four legs. I don't have donkey-like ears. I don't have tail. So it has badha. So it is not prama. Abadha will make it prama. So even if it is atyanta asat, shabda will produce jnana. So two people, they are shouting and saying such words. One says you are a donkey, another says you are a monkey, you are buffalo, you are something. Both of them, they know these are asat. And all these words are badhita. So there is no prama, but there is jnanam. Other way is also there. Let's say somebody does false praise. You know it is badhita. There is no prama in this. Rarely, only good people will praise others. that also is there. It requires a lot of goodness to praise other person. From teacher, you should never expect any praise. Teacher is there to correct you only. But otherwise, if somebody praises some other person, it requires goodness. Prama may not be there. So a person knows it is their goodness, their kindness that they are praising. So this kind of Shabda Vyavahara can happen. So in other words, Siddhanti established that Ayogyata Jnanam is not Pratibandhakam. As long as Badha is not happening, it will be Brahman. Vedanta Kalpa Latikayam Asya Arthasya Prapancho Drashtavyaha. By Madhusudan Saraswati ji, there is a grantha called Vedanta Kalpa Latika. The vistara of this is given there. Etena Charma Jnana Mithyatvepi na tad Vishayasya Mithyatvam. Jnana Mithyattvasya Vishaya Mithyatva Sadhakatvat. Advaita Jnane Vedanta Kalpalatikayam Asyarthasya Prapancho Drashtavyaha. In Vedanta Kalpalatika is a work of Madhusudan Saraswati ji. In that, the vistara of this is given, this idea operated. Etena charama jnana mithyatve api na tad vishayasya mithyatvam. Jnana mithyattvasya vishaya mithyatva sadhakatvat. Advaita jnane vyabhicharat iti nirastam. Etena nirastam. Etena hetuna nirastam. So what is given in the middle is Purvapaksha. What he says, charama jnana mithyatve api na tad vishayasya mithyatvam. Iti nirastam. We have to understand. So charma jnana Siddhanti will say this way. Charma jnana vishaya is mithya. Mithya bhuta jnana vishayatvat. Shukti rajatvat. Charma jnana vishaya is mithya. So charma jnana here is that jnanam, that bheda jnanam, which you continue up to a point. Bheda. Then out of fear of anavastha, you stop there. There where you stop, that is called charama jnanam here. Not charama jnanam as in charama jnana brahmakar vritti. So that charma jnana vishaya is mithya. Why? Mithya bhuta jnana vishayatvat. Because it is making that bheda as its vishaya. That jnanasya vishaya is bheda, which is mithya bhuta. Like Shukti Rajat. Purvapakshi will say this is having vyabhichara. That is what he said. Jnana mithyattvasya vishaya mithyatva asadhakatvat advaita jnane vyabhicharat. Advaita jnana. In Brahmakar vritti, which is Advaita jnana, there is vyabhichara. So according to Purvapaksha, Akhandakar Brahmakar vritti there is vyabhichara in this. Means it will have hetu. Vyabhichara means, what is the lakshana for vyabhichara?
साध्याभाववत्
साध्याभाववद हेतु. साध्याभाव वाले में हेतु रह जाना. हेतु हियर इज मिथ्याभूत ज्ञान विषयत्वम. साध्य इज मिथ्या. साध्याभाव विल बी मिथ्याभाव. इन ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति, पूर्व पक्षी विल से ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति विषय is Brahma, which is Satya. Brahma, Siddhanti says like this: Brahmakar vritti vishaya is Satya, Brahma, but Brahmakar vritti is Mithya. Purvapaksha says same way, the Bheda Jnanam can be Mithya, Bheda can be Satyam. So Siddhanti's answer we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.